What's going on YouTube? Walking Asset here, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the top 3 stocks to buy in May of 2021. So let's get right into it. First up on our list, we have Palantir Technologies. Their ticker symbol is PLTR. Now, this is a company that develops data integration and software solutions. Their current price right now is only $20, so they're relatively cheap. They have a market cap of 34.5 billion almost, and they recently crushed their earnings this past month. So they had an estimated earnings of around 44 cents per share, 0.438, but they actually came out with an actual of 0.93 cents per share. Now that's really good. So they doubled the expectations, and their revenue has been very strong recently. And also, like within I believe the past month or two, Kathy Woods has been adding them to the ARK fund. So that's another good sign that this is a company that'll, you know, do some really big things in the future. They currently have a price target of around $40. They were trading in the 30s about a month or two ago, but there's been a huge tech sell-off because of quad witching. If you don't know what that is, I'll be making a video on that pretty soon. But I just wanted to pull this article up. So, reason why I also think that Palantir is a really good investment. So they were a key player in the battle against COVID-19. So medical suppliers used their software to basically monitor the global supply chains, and they helped to measure shortages and imbalances of supplies and move these supplies around to meet the demand. So yeah, that's Palantir Technologies. Definitely a company worth looking at. Okay, so next up on our list, we have Uber Technologies. If you haven't heard of Uber, you honestly may be living under a rock. So, about Uber, they offer transportation and they also deliver food. Their current price is around 49 slash like $50 as of the making of this video. They have a market cap of 86.9 billion. They're pushing up to 87. And they also crushed their earnings recently. So they reported earnings, I believe, May 5th or May 10th. And they had an estimate of negative 0.56. But their actual came out to be negative 0.06. So again, they blew the expectations out of the water. It's another great company. I personally use Uber a lot, so I'm all for Uber, building that long-term position, and they're currently on sale right now. So they've also been a part of the tech sell-off. So they were trading in the high 50s, low 60s, a month or two ago, but now they're beaten down to $49. So they have a price target of $70, by the way, too. So, I personally think this is a great price to start a long-term position. So last on our list, we have Coinbase. Now, what Coinbase is, this is basically a brokerage platform for cryptocurrencies. Now, I haven't posted much about cryptocurrencies. If y'all want to learn more about them, just comment below, and I'll get to making videos about them in the future. But this company Coinbase, they're tied to the main currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. So if you watch the news or follow social media at all, You know that like Elon Musk has been tweeting about like cryptocurrencies recently, and this has caused a massive sell-off. Bitcoin recently dipped down to around, I think, 33 to like 35,000, but now it's back up to 40,000. So, you know, no one knows exactly what the future will hold. But so with that's done, that like pullback in the crypto markets, it's tanked the Coinbase stock significantly. So they had an IPO of $240. On their first day, they shot up to the 400s, and now they're trading at a measly 220. Not measly, because 220 is a lot of money, but cryptocurrency, I personally think, is the future of how we'll be handling money. So this is definitely a company to look at if you're looking to expose your portfolio to some great upside. And Coinbase is also a company that Kathy Woods has added to the ARK fund. So that's another bullish signal for me. But yeah, those are my top three stocks for May. Be sure to check the description to get my investing course for free. It's normally $15. You'll learn all the basics of the stock market and how to get started. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. Have a good one. Walking Asset here, and I'm out. Peace.
Gonna just keep running away? I'm not running.